In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a caption and summary to a worksheet or dashboard in Tableau. This process is swift, taking just around 5 minutes, and can help enhance the clarity and usefulness of your visualizations. First things first, you'll need to open up the Tableau desktop app. If you're new to Tableau or just getting started, you'll be greeted with the familiar interface that easily guides you to your workbooks. Once you have Tableau open, locate and access your worksheet. This can be done by navigating through your saved projects, or by opening a new sheet if you're starting from scratch. Now, make sure to select the particular sheet where you'd like to add a caption. This is crucial because captions are specific to each sheet. After you've chosen your desired sheet, it's time to add the caption. Look towards the top menu and click on Worksheet. From the drop-down menu, select Show Caption. What happens next is quite convenient. A caption field automatically appears at the bottom of your selected sheet. This field might initially be blank or contain default information depending on your setup. To personalize this caption, simply double-click on it. You can now edit the text to reflect the insights or information you wish to convey. Think of it as an opportunity to communicate directly with those who will be viewing your sheet, providing context or highlighting key points that may not be immediately obvious. Moreover, if you wish to incorporate additional information directly tied to your data, you can even insert fields into the caption. This feature allows for dynamic updates and strengthens the connection between the caption content and your dataset. Once you've made your desired changes, remember to click Apply, followed by OK to save them. This ensures that your caption displays your custom information permanently or until you decide to make further changes. Now, let's move on to adding a summary to your worksheet, which is another great way to enhance understanding. Similar to the earlier steps, click on Worksheet once more from the top menu. This time, select Show Summary. In an instant, Tableau will generate a summary of the data in your worksheet, usually displaying statistics and calculations that provide a quick overview. These summaries are fantastic for reinforcing the story your data tells by shedding light on key figures. By following these steps, not only have you added valuable textual information to your sheet, but you've also enriched its analytical depth. Whether you're presenting to colleagues, clients, or just reviewing for personal understanding, these additions can serve as critical components in comprehending and displaying your data effectively. And there you have it, a simple yet potent way to utilize captions and summaries in Tableau. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and it inspires you to make the most of your visualizations. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing with Tableau.